this is Catherine Blankenship for AEP 800 Integrated Technologies. Today for my 5 new technologies, I chose Canva. Canva is something that I learned about during teacher in-services, especially when they were giving us one-to-one iPad training, but it's not something that I've actually tried in the classroom with my students. One thing I like about Canva is that you can pretty much do whatever you want. Like if I were to go up here, maybe not. Nope. Let me go back. Here we go. If I were to click on create a design, I can decide whether or not I want a presentation, an Instagram post, a poster, a logo, a resume, a flyer, an infographic, which would have been great for our last assignment, card or invitation. I can see my kiddos getting on Canva and making posters, maybe making posters about books that they have read. So let's say during their intervention time, if they are done working on Fast Forward and they are silently reading, then maybe an assignment that they could do is get on Canva and make a poster about the book that they are reading. So they can go through and they can see all the different types of templates that they have. Pick the one that they like. So let's say they really like this one. Okay, it's really simple and easy to use. I like how all you have to do is click, and then I can just, I think I need to click backspace. And let's say they were reading Wayside School is Falling Down, because that seems to be very popular with my kiddos. And then they can give me a short, brief description of what it is right here, and then they can post it on Showbie or wherever, and I can see it. And instant project, done. I like Canva, not just for my students, but for myself. I like that I'm able to go in and make different infographics or presentations or posters for some assignments that we have. I think that Canva is a really great program to use. The only downside is that I wish it had a tutorial at the beginning so that my kiddos would be able to watch it, because I have a feeling that once they get in, they're going to have a hard time figuring it out. But it's something that on the first few weeks of school, if we have time, if we have iPads, we can play around with it. All right. This has been Catherine Blankenship for Canva. Thank you very much. Bye.